Hey, this is Graham and welcome back to another video. Today we are hanging out in Dylan's garage in South Carolina, and as you can see, my car is in here, and we're gonna do some fun stuff today. The title is already giving it away, so we are doing the roof, and that's what we're gonna start with. We'll do something else after that, so stay tuned. The roof isn't it all, but we're gonna start with the vinyl roof. It's something I've been wanting to do for a long time. As you guys have seen, it's on Annika's car. We did it to hers. And I've been wanting to do it to mine for a really long time. So today we're doing it, finally. And obviously I've got Dylan and Kyle with me. Go check out Kyle's channel. It's in the description below. But without further ado, we'll jump into it. All right, so first things first, clean the roof using isopropyl alcohol to do that. Gets all the wax, gets all the everything off, including your paint. No, I'm just kidding, it doesn't take the paint off. That looks clean enough to me. So first things first, before you put any vinyl down, go ahead and pop off these trim pieces. Which is what I'm trying to do now with the plastic removal tools. It's never as easy as it seems like it should be.
Yeah, but you do have a knack for not breaking clips, so that's a good thing.
There we go, that one was really easy.
A little spray bottle with your mixture of water and soap.
Make sure you know what you're doing before you do this.
Graham, coming in clutch with good advice.
So first things first, we have to peel the vinyl off of the backing, flip it over, and spray it down. I was kind of hoping we could do this without using water, because in the past, Annika and I tried it on her car before she actually had it professionally installed, and we kind of messed it up. I'm a little nervous, to be honest, but I think we got this. I have 2 sets of hands this time. That'll really help a lot.
How much?
Well, it's all gonna get squeaky out anyway. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. There we go. This is where the third set of hands kicks in. Dream team here.
Alright guys, so the roof is pretty much done. It turned out better than I expected it to. It took longer than I expected it to, but that's okay. It looks great. And now what Dylan is working on over there is peeling off the stripes. Whew. Big change. That's a big change. I've had these stripes since I got the car, so. Wow, came off in one piece. Oh,
I'm not gonna let you go over here until I'm done.
Oh. I don't know what to think.
It's too late now. What I'm doing is I'm applying heat to the entire stripe before I begin to pull on it. Once I feel like it's been heated up enough, try to take the edge a little bit and start to pull. And fortunately, this is a little bit of a smaller stripe, so it comes off nice and even. And there we go.
Oh,
we
man.
have de-striped a Mustang. Are you ready?
It's like the overhauling reveal.
Oh, so we gotta take 4. We gotta
Oh,
do 4
God.
takes and properly psych you up.
Oh god.
Okay, Graham. Look at your new car.
Dang, that actually looks really good.
Oh. I like it.
It makes the car look longer.
It looks good. It's slim. Mustang's so fast.
Oh, that's different.
I like it. It's
It's different in a good way though. I think it looks good. I like the badges too. The badges kind of prevent it from looking completely naked. Wow. It does look more grown up looking. All right, guys. So there's your big change. It's kind of still setting into me, but I think it looks really, really good. And I know some people have really said that they like those stripes, but I've had them for 5 years now, and for one, you know how vinyl ages. After so much time, they start just cracking and drying up, and then they're a real pain to get off. So I kind of figured I might like to change, and I don't want the stripes to end up, you know, being a huge hassle to get off. So I thought now was a good time, you know, almost 100,000 miles later. So, and then we did the roof too, which just looks incredible. I mean, ignore Dylan slaving away for me, but look at her. I mean, no stripe, black roof, sleek, very sleek. Looks like a star. I don't know. It makes the car look a lot darker too, which is really cool. I like that a lot. That silver stripe was I think it was just kind of time to get rid of it. But, now we're just getting it cleaned up, and it'll be time to head home because it's like 10:30 at night or whatever, 11 almost. At least 85 will be nice and clear, so we can get back to Georgia, back to Gainesville, without any trouble. But definitely huge thanks to Dylan and Kyle especially Dylan for letting me use his garage, but Kyle too for doing the video work today, and to both of them for helping me out. You guys are awesome. The coolest. Hey Kyle, you're the coolest.
Thanks.
How's that make you feel?
Coolest.
Dylan?
Have a great night, guys. Fun as always.
Oh yeah. Oh, super close up on my face. I forgot to zoom out. All right, guys. I guess that's it for tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Big change, new look, looking sleek. And of course, there's always more to come, so stay tuned and wait for the next video. But as always, guys, take it easy.